Good morning. We are back at Pine Grove Furnace State Park, getting ready to start a 8.5 mile hike today. So yeah, it's a little bit chilly out here today. It's gonna be colder tomorrow, but we're getting closer and closer to Boiling Springs, so we're gonna try to knock out some mileage, bring you some views. There's Pine Grove Furnace. So I think this is a bike path.
Okay.
As well as part of the AT. So I'll have to look this up. I don't think we're on it that long. So we've been climbing for a mile. We have another half a mile to go before we have a decision to make. There is a view, I think it's called Pole Steeple, but it's like 0.2 more of a climb up. So we'll see how we're feeling half a mile from here. But it looks like it's a pretty nice view, so we'll probably do it. We'll see. Well, this could be a colossal waste of time or a really cool, well worth it side trail. We think we came to where the Blue Blaze goes up to Pole Steeple, but it's not marked. I mean, it's a very well paved trail, not paved, worn, very well worn trail. We think this is it, and it's where it's supposed to be. There's just no markers. So thankfully it's only 0.2. If we're wrong, it'll be downhill, so we'll see. So we were wrong, and I figured it out. We didn't go far, we maybe 100 yards, and I decided, wait a second, let me check the far out guide. And we normally, when we're using that, there's two different views. One is your elevation view, and that's what we're usually looking at because we want to know if we're about to climb. But there is another view, I'm not sure what it is, but it's basically as if you were looking straight down on top of the mountain, flat, and that showed the Blue Blaze line going the other side of the AT. So and the fact that this trail didn't have any markings on it, well, we put 2 and 2 together and we're heading back. We'll find it. Here's where we're going. All right, and Blue Blazes. Thankfully we didn't go too far out of the way. Wow, it goes down here. Wow. There's all kinds of side trails around here.
Wow, I didn't notice.
You got to be careful where you're going. All right, starting to see the high point ahead that we're going to have to climb to get to the view. The view is going to be over to the west. So the view is going to be of Laurel Lake. Beautiful. Oh yeah, there's the lake.
What do you think he's listening to? I know. I don't know. You're almost there. Do you need help?
The last climb of the day.
What?
Last climb of the day.
Last climb. Thank God.
She believes me.
Okay. What?
What's with all these white blazes
I don't know. I think
Somebody
it's
went
like you
crazy.
said. They're training.
This is like the training grounds for painting white blazes.
I think you're right. They're everywhere.
Yeah.
Can't get lost.
So there's very few areas on the trail that are easy. We experienced one this morning where we had that bike path, but the rest of the day, it wasn't like terrible climbs, but like even the descents, it's just so rocky out here that well, at least we anyway, we have to take our time and straddle those rocks so we don't, step on one and put it right into the sole of our foot or trip over it. But it's going to be nice to get back to the hotel and yeah, see, I just tripped over a rock. It's going to be nice to get back to the hotel and jump in the pool. Yeah, and then go get a cocktail, lots of places to eat in Carlisle. So we're going to do some searching and find a nice place to get an old-fashioned or a Manhattan. Or what are you drinking tonight?
I might have a Manhattan again.
There you go. So yeah, we
Something
have
with alcohol.
something with alcohol. So we have we're less than a mile from the car, about ready to cross over one of these what is this, Route 34,
Yeah.
and head back into the woods. So dodge some cars.
Oh yeah. See, now I don't want